Hi, in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and I've been sent this very kindly to give a review on. This is by my Chronicle book box, and what I'm led to believe is that it's 2 books tailored to your choice of book. I love to read, I really love to read, but I can be quite set in my ways. I tend to like just really girly, easy to read romantic novels, or maybe sometimes something with a bit of a dramatic edge, but I'm pushing my boundaries at the moment, so I was really happy when this turned up, because this one is actually science fiction and fantasy, the theme of it. So when you sign up to this, you can choose the type of books that you like to read and it picks it for you and sends you it. I think they're quarterly, so there is apparently another surprise in here, so I'm really excited to open this. But it should be 2 books, I think, and some kind of special treat. So anyway, I'm going to do the unboxing. Right, got my trusty scissors here. So I literally have no idea what to expect, so we'll see how it goes. Right, well, straight away I love this. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. It says Lizzie Michaels, your favourite reading spot. So my favourite reading spot is always in bed. I read before I go to sleep every single night. So I guess if I was in bed right now, I would save this and read it there. But at the moment, obviously, I'm shooting a video, so I'm in the corner of my bedroom. But look at the back! Oh my goodness, look at that! Oh, check out the seal. And you're back in the light again. Oh, this is so cool. Here we go. Right, let's read a bit of this. I'm thrilled to be able to introduce you to your distinctive blue My Chronicle book box, and would like to tell you a bit more about the contents and why I chose to include it. I read and considered a good number of books for this first box, and I've tried to include 2 that are different in style but equally good quality from talented authors. Oh wow, so it tells me, right, on the back it's got what I'm going to find in the box, but I'm not going to read it, I've already seen something, but I'd rather show you. But what it's also got is, it's got information about the author of one of the books. That's really cool. And it's got like an interview. This is an exclusive interview just for this My Chronicle book box. Ah, I love interviews, because it's got stuff like, what can we look forward to from you next? Oh look. Joanne M. Harris's favourite place to read is in the bath. It's the only place I can be sure of not being interrupted. Anyone who's a mum will know what that's about. As this person said what they like to read. So Trisha Sullivan, if you're out there somewhere, I would love to know your favourite place to read. But it looks like mostly she reads for pleasure at night in bed before passing out. Alright, okay then. Same as me. Ha! I'm just going to have a little look through myself. I love the packaging. Ah, you can never get a cup of tea large enough or a book long enough to suit me, says C.S. Lewis. An amazing, amazing author. Oh, so that's so cute. That's like a little poster. You can put it up in your reading corner. Wow, this has been packaged so beautifully. So this is one of the author's books, Trisha Sullivan. So she's actually signed that herself. Look at the packaging. That is so lovely. It's like Christmas. It's quite a chunky book. So what I'm going to do for you is obviously not read you the entire story, but I'm going to read the blurb and I'm going to read a bit of the first page, because I think that is, it's quite a good tell-all, that one. Charlie is a dream hacker, able to enter your dreams and mould their direction. I love that already. Forget that recurring nightmare about being naked at an exam. Charlie will step into your dream, bring you a dressing gown and give you the answers. As far as she knows, she's the only person who can do this. Unfortunately, her power comes with one drawback. Charlie also has narcolepsy and may fall asleep at the most inopportune moment. But in London 2022, her skill is in demand, and when she is hired by a minor celebrity, sadly the new girlfriend of Charlie's lamented ex, who dreams of a masked creeper stalking her, Charlie begins to realise that someone else might be able to invade dreams. Someone who isn't as benevolent as Charlie. Dun dun dun! So this is Sweet Dreams by Tricia Sullivan. Here we go. Secret Diary of a Prawn Star. Oh, here we go. Straight away is a name I can't pronounce. Mrs. Hall-Wombar blows off a lot in her sleep. It sounds like she keeps a foghorn under the duvet. Of course, to look at her daylight life, you'd never guess. She has ruffles on her bedding and her pillowcases always match. None of her bras are tangled up. She keeps her socks and knickers in separate drawers. Even her rabbit lives in a special velvet case with lube and a zippy bag alongside. Everything in Mrs. Hall-Wombar's life is under control, except her colon in the middle of the night. Oh, and of course, her dreams. That's what she hired me for. Normally I wouldn't snoop around people's rooms to see what kind of vibrator they have in their drawer, but one time I had to make a lightning search for throat sweets when I had a coughing fit in the middle of the night. Wow. I'm quite intrigued actually by that one. Straight away starting with sex toys. That's lovely. Right, what else have I got in here? What's this? Keep your eyes in the back of your book. A magnifying bookmark. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't think that's going to work on camera, is it? Ooh. That's genius. That is so cool. What's this? Happy Christmas reading with love from Sophie Sayers. Let's have a look inside. This is like Christmas. Ah, look, a 2p coin. Chocolate coins. Debbie Young, Murder in the Manger. The perfect read to get you in a festive mood, out in ebook and paperback from the 6th of November. Well, look, I could put a chocolate on my pillow, just like they do in hotels. What's this? A Pocket Full of Crows. First written as a short story, live on Twitter and loosely inspired by the child ballad Brown Girl. So, there's a little postcard there. Postcards are always very handy bookmarks as well. Oh, look at this! Darkwoods Coffee. Well, after a good night's sleep, having read, you wake up in the morning and you want a coffee. Or I do anyway. Great Taste 2017. That is good to know. Something about fresh coffee. Oh my god, that smells amazing. There's like a little scent bit that you can sniff. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. I like. Get a thumbs up from me. And a little mirror. Well, obviously I love doing makeup, so that's really cute. They're like books on a bookshelf. So it's a little mirror, so I can check my eye makeup. And then a sandalwood candle. So if you like to read in the bath, straight away you've got the perfect item. Oh, that is lovely. I love sandalwood. And then the second book, so it's got that really nice packaging again. like Christmas. Strange Sight, an Essex Witch Museum mystery. Well, I live in Essex, so this is perfect. Seeing Isn't Always Believing by Sid Moore. Something is wrong at Le Fleur restaurant. Bonnet-clad apparitions pass through walls, blood leaks from ceilings, and rats besiege the dining room. But before the Essex Witch Museum investigative team Rosie Strange and Sam Stone can look into these strange sights, events turn darker. For Le Fleur's chef has been strung up and met a grisly end, and the only witness, the owner's daughter Mary, swears blind a ghost is to blame. Sid Moore lives in Essex. Hey! Go on, Sid Moore. Do I read the prologue? I never know if to read the prologue or not, or just go straight to chapter 1. I'm just going to go straight to chapter 1. No blood. No blood? None, thank you. Is that an order? Can I give you an order? I don't think so. Technically, I am the owner of the museum. That's got to trump curator, I'm afraid. Has it indeed? Well, still I maintain don't squirt the blood on, please. Why not? It's tacky, vulgar. Yeah, but probably anatomically correct. The noose was likely to have broken the skin when it drew tight around her neck. Sam opened his mouth to speak, and then shut it again. What? I asked and gave him a shrug. People like a bit of sensationalism, don't they? You told me that. That ye olde granddaddy Septimus thought you had to take that line to get punters into the place. Because that's what they're really after, isn't it? The thrill of the darkness. Well, I think because that's based in Essex, I would definitely read that. Although it might be a bit scary for me. I'm such a wuss. But, you know, reading is about enlightenment and escapism, and I should definitely push my boundaries by reading something out of my comfort zone. Now let me get that sheet of paper and see what this separate little book's all about. An extra bookish treat. You have a beautiful proof of a pocket full of crows. By Joanne M. Harris, as well as an exclusive interview with Joanne and a postcard. This novella is a story of love and revenge, full of rich and intense folkloric flavour, ideal for a dark autumnal evening. And Sweet Dreams by Patricia Sullivan for its originality and intelligence, and Strange Sight by Sid Moore for its sheer fun and entertainment. Also included a signed book plates and an exclusive interview with Tricia Sullivan. As for the products, each one has been carefully selected for your enjoyment. I think it's absolutely brilliant. I love the whole not knowing what you're going to get, but the fact that it's tailored for you. So you go on the website, you choose what sort of things you're into, you share your interests, and everything gets tailor picked for you. So I think it's really cool. I love it. I especially love this bit though. I think that's brilliant. Wow. So yeah, I mean the first pages, my initial impressions are good, definitely. I get a lot from a first page, and both of them I just want to carry on reading. I think the what is it, the Sweet Dreams one, let me get that back again. This one I think is going to make me laugh. That's what I really like the idea of, and I love it when it's in a diary form. Right, well, I look forward to seeing you next time, and thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thanks, bye!